We have people coming here for agriculture business. We have people coming here for tourism, and we also have people coming here for business. We have a very large manufacturing base where we have what used to be Weber Aircraft is Safran,
Yeah.
where they make airplane seats. We have GAF, which is the world's largest building material manufacturer. And they manufacture like a TPO type roof, and they also create insulation foam board here. Beyond that, we have a large sector in oil and gas exploration where we make the fracking equipment, we make the drilling equipment, we provide water services. We have Select Energies headquarters. That is a stock market traded company, and they're headquartered in Gainesville, Texas. So that is huge.